Whoa, this car stinks. Now, car odors aren't just in the air. They're actually attached to the Alcantara, cloth, carpets, leather, plastic, vinyl foam, and inside those vents. To properly deodorize my SUV, I need to break down and remove the odor, bacteria, organic buildup, and biofilm that's causing it from these surfaces. I've been detailing my cars for over 50 years, and in this video, I'll show you step by step how I cleaned and deodorized my SUV in just minutes. And this process will work for you too, in getting rid of odors caused by cigarette smoke, pet odors, mildew and mold smell, food spills, body odor, and of course those gym bags, and diaper pails. Using a 32-ounce spray bottle, like this one from Chemical Guys, add 16 ounces of water. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to every product I use in the description below. And then add 16 ounces of Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant to that sprayer. This will enhance the cleaning action of all surfaces when using the BioBomb Deodorizer. By the way, I've sped up the video and timer in spots, but you can still see how quickly this whole deodorizing process actually takes. Next, add one BioBomb Mini into the spray bottle. Let it dissolve for 5 minutes. You'll see that the entire solution turns yellow. Then give it a quick mix. Remove the floor mat. Any trash, food wrappers, or anything that might be causing odors from the door pockets. Give your car a quick vacuum. Next, make sure all windows and doors are open. Pull all 5 seat belts and fasten them. I'll explain why a little bit later. And drop the sun visors. Be sure to test the deodorizer cleaner by spraying onto a microfiber towel and testing on an inconspicuous spot before proceeding. Details like this matter, and I'm going to walk you through every one of them. Turn the ignition to accessory mode and the fan to low setting. Make sure recirculation is off. Spray the mist into the air intake on the outside of the car at the base of the windshield, just for a few seconds. Shut off car and fan. Now, starting at the vents for the floor under the dash, and then the dashboard vents, spray mist into every vent. With the sun visors down, spray the headliner going into each open door and spraying from the middle of the car back to minimize the deodorizer raining down on you. Keep the spray away from windows. Do not wipe or scrub the headliner. Just let it absorb the deodorizer. Flip up the sun visors and spray those too. Wipe off any overspray with a clean, dry microfiber towel from the rearview mirror or anywhere else. Spray onto a clean microfiber towel like this Polyte Waffle weave. Wipe down dashboard, steering wheel, and console, making sure they're all damp. I prefer to spray the microfiber cloth outside of the car to minimize overspray. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy DIY detailing videos. Dampen a plush microfiber towel like this Rag Company The Gauntlet drying towel. After a few minutes, using the dampened microfiber towel, wipe everything down. So this is what everyone misses. Next, pull out and deodorize the seat belts and let them retract. Go on with spraying the deodorizer onto the Waffle Weave microfiber towel and working from the top of the seat, wipe down all the seat surfaces. This BioBomb deodorizing cleaner is safe for all interior surfaces, including this leather, but also vinyl, vegan leather, imitation leather, plastic, Alcantara, and suede. Be sure all surfaces are damp but not soaked. Don't forget to do the seat backs. After completing one side of the interior with a deodorizing cleaner, wipe down all surfaces with the damp plush microfiber towel to remove excess. Be sure to wipe down those seat belts too. Try to get into all of the nooks and crannies. Continue on with the other side of the SUV, doing the complete deodorizing cleaner process. And then wipe with the damp, plush microfiber towel. Next up are the door cards. Same process of spraying the deodorizing cleaner onto the Waffle Weave microfiber towel, then remove excess with damp plush towel. Doing half of your SUV at a time. Be sure to open the door pockets and deodorize and clean those out too. Spray and wet down all carpets. When doing the front carpets, move the seats all the way back. Then all the way forward when doing the back carpets and the floor vents in the back. Then hit the vents under the seats for the rear passengers. Let the deodorizing cleaner soak into the carpets and then air dry completely before replacing the floor mats. No scrubbing or wiping with a microfiber cloth. As you can see, I'm running low on the deodorizing cleaner in the spray bottle, but we're not done yet. Same process for the back hatch surfaces. Spray onto the Waffle weave cloth, wipe, and then remove excess from all hard surfaces with that damp plush towel. Spray and let soak into all carpeting on the sides and the floor. Click here for my quick and easy windshield cleaning video, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them below. I read and answer everyone.